Heavy equipment haulers of Oklahoma. This is the Komatsu D31PX Bulldozer. New in 07. 4,060 hours on the meter. Roughly the size of a D4 dozer for comparison. It does have the wide 24-inch LGP tracks. Drops and sweeps, joystick controls, and a 6-way blade. It was recently serviced, ready to work. Just an excellent machine. Delivery is available to your farm or job site. If you have any questions or like a free quote on that delivery, please feel free to call us at 405-833-6437. We appreciate your time. Thanks for watching, and have a great day.